Good morning, everyone. 5 December, day 3, class 9, subject physics, chapter 5, work, energy, and power. Part 3, page number 206. Okay, now I am going to teach very important terms, physics, in the chapters work, power, and energy. Okay, this topic is derivations of formula kinetic energy. Okay, it's the most important points. Now, every time might be possible ask at your examination the questions derivation of formula kinetic energy. Okay, now object's mass equal to mkg, distance s meter. Okay, let us consider any physical bodies moving continuously with time to time. Okay, definitely objects having a mkg mass and applying force on that object and cover the distance s meter. Okay, okay, s meter. V equal to velocity, initial velocity, final velocity 0 meter. Okay, and acceleration is minus a. Now putting the formula, equations formula, v square equal to u square plus 2as. Okay, putting the value of v, final velocity is a 0. Formula is u square plus already a having the negative terms, then the value of minus 2as. Okay, this v goes to the left hand side, v square equal to 2as. Both sides is a minus has been cancelled. Okay, the a equal to v square by 2s, equation first. Okay, now F equal to mass into acceleration. We know that according to the formula of force, mass into acceleration. Acceleration, that means the rate change of velocity, is called acceleration. Okay, A equal to force by mass from these equations. Okay, now again both equations has been equal to each side. F by m equal to v square by 2s. Okay, all the students please note down. Okay, the equation is force by mass. Is that clear? Equal to v square by 2s. Come to this section. S is cross sections multiplication. Cross multiplication here. Okay, F multiply to S and M multiply to V square. Okay, F into S, we know that F into S, that means applying force and cover the distance is done by the object is called work done. Okay, the work done equal to mv square by 2. mv square by 2. Here work is belongs to the motion, then work is related to kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. This equations for kinetic energy, it has been proved here. Okay, all the students please note down. Now come to the next point, transformation of energy. Okay, transformation of energy, that means energy converted to kinetic energy and kinetic energy converted to potential energy. Okay, now come to the here transformation energy. Here when body falls from certain height, then loss potential energy and gain kinetic energy. Okay, again, when body falls from certain height, then loss potential energy and gain kinetic energy. Okay, now come to this point ki then objects kept at a certain height, then after some time objects fall down from the certain height and come to the ground. Okay, height 3 is the final position, h2 is the middle point, h1 is the on the ground. Okay, in this activities height continuously reduced according to time, then object fall on the ground, contact to the ground surface. Okay, then h3 is greater than h2 greater than h1. At the last moment height equal to becomes a 0. Then according to potential energy formula, potential energy equal to mass into gravity acceleration and height. Mass, whatever the value of the mass, g value is 9.8 meter per second square either or 10 meter per second square, and into h become to the 0. Now putting the value of h is a 0. Now potential energy is completely 0 joule. Okay, now here in these situations potential energy reduce but kinetic energy gain. Okay, all the students please note down. Okay, now come to the next point, conservation of energy. Okay, conservation of energy, that means you can say here conservation of mechanical energy. Okay, reason is that mechanical energy involve two types of energy. I have already teach you mechanical energy involve two types of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. Listen to be careful. Kinetic energy converted to potential energy and potential energy converted to kinetic energy. Then according to the law of conservation of energy, COE, that means conservation of energy. Okay, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, again according to the law of kinetic energy, neither be created nor be destroyed. Kinetic energy converted to potential energy from bottom to height, from bottom to height. Okay, from bottom to height. Okay, bottom to height, that means as soon as objects cover the height from bottom, okay, then creation of height and the value of a height is valuable. Okay, now putting the formula of mgh, the value of this formula already you can find it. Now potential energy converted to kinetic energy, half mv square. Potential in the time of potential energy from height to bottom, the object fall down on a certain height and heights reduce continuously. Okay, then h equal to lastly h equal to become a 0. The value of potential energy is 0, but kinetic energy you can gain the kinetic energy. Okay, from height to bottom. Okay, all the students please note down. Okay, all the students please note down the homework. Homework is write the concept of transformation of energy. Okay, okay, again write the concept of transformation of energy. Okay, have you noted? Okay, next video come with new topics. Thank you.